Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to add an action button to Facebook page, how to add CTA buttons on a Facebook page, or add call to action buttons to Facebook. Easy tutorial. For us to be able to begin, make sure to log in first onto your account. So as you can see, I'm currently onto my personal account. So we're gonna go ahead and switch this to our Facebook page when we want to add an action button. To do so, click here onto the upper right corner of the screen and click onto the page when you want to add the action button. So in my case, I want to add this onto my page, which is the paw shop. So we're going to simply click onto that and it will go ahead and switch from personal account to our page. Once you're in here, click onto your profile icon again here onto the upper right corner of the screen and click onto your page again to get redirected here onto the page profile. So for us to add the action button, you should be able to see that one here onto this three dots. So let's scroll down a bit, click onto that, and there should be an option to add action button. Click onto that one, and as you can see, it will give you a message in here to customize your action button. So we're gonna try it, and then right after it will ask you to choose an option. So there are a lot of options available in here. So there are different categories like help people support you or get people to contact you, or you could link to your group or any app. So onto this case, we'll try this one to open a website, which is this one, learn more. So we're gonna click onto that, and then we're gonna click onto next. And then right after it will ask you to add a website link. So we're gonna go ahead and try to add in here, for example, youtube.com. Then right after, we'll just have to save that and this should be visible onto your profile. So since we're onto our page in here, we will not see that. But if we try to switch this or view us, and then you should be able to see how your page is visible to others. So as you can see, we have the learn more button in here, and if you click onto that, you'll get redirected onto the website that you have inputted in there. So let's try this one out again. I'll try to switch back here onto my personal account and try to see our Facebook page. So as you can see, we have here our Facebook page. And then if we click onto the action button we recently added, which is a learn more, it should go ahead and redirect us to youtube.com. And that is how easy to add an action button to Facebook page. If you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.